Hey everyone, Zoe here with Telycam. Today I want to share a great user case from one of our amazing customers who recently used our Vision Plus 4K and PTZ cameras to cover a pickleball tournament and absolutely nailed it. The team deployed 3 Telycam Vision Plus 4K cameras around the court, 1 for the wide angle and 2 for dynamic angles and close-ups. The cameras captured every rally, every serve, and every emotional moment, all in stunning 4K 60 resolution. With 20 times optical zoom, they were able to capture detailed mid-shots and player movements with clarity, without needing large rigs or on-court operations. That's the best part of PTZ cameras in sports streaming. Giving dynamic, broadcast-style viewing experience with minimal intrusion. All 3 cameras were powered and controlled remotely through single Ethernet cables using PoE+, no additional power supply required. The team used NDI HX3 for high-quality video transmission. No external converters, no extra licenses. Just plug the camera into the network and the stream was ready to go in their NDI-based workflow. All 3 cameras were controlled from a single location. Pan, tilt, zoom, auto-framing, auto-tracking, preset settings, all through Telycam's keyboard controller, the Visual Plus, offering intuitive multi-camera operation. Both the Telycam cameras and the controllers support multiple control protocols, so they're able to be used with the customer's existing gears. A multi-camera setup like this is ideal for fast-paced sports like pickleball, badminton, and other high-speed games, where action is rapid and smart. Responsive coverage is essential, without requiring a large crew or a complex rig. The Telycam Vision Plus 4K gives you excellent visuals with a streamlined setup. And if you're aiming for broadcast-grade cameras with even higher image quality, especially for studio broadcasts or larger-scale sports live stream, the Telycam Explore Series is built for that. If you want to see more Telycam PTZ cameras in action or get a quote, visit Telycam.com or contact us at sales@Telycam.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and take care and see you in the next one.